Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. The new Streamlight ProTac HP-Xs have now been released. This one is the ProTac HP-X USB rechargeable flashlight. The part number is 89022. So this comes with the SL-B26 rechargeable USB-C battery. It comes with the charging cord and a nylon holster. But before I continue, make sure to subscribe and watch to the end for a discount code. To charge the battery, you're going to plug in the USB-C cord into the side of the battery. And on top, it has indicator lights. So one will be red when it's charging, and when it's fully charged, it will turn green. Now, to install the battery, you're going to unscrew the tail switch. We're going to place the battery positive side in first and reinstall the tail switch. And we're going to completely tighten this. You're going to feel it getting firm. A lot of people like to stop when they don't want to over tighten. These are not designed that way. You're going to continue to turn until it comes to a complete stop. Now the battery is installed. To operate the light out of the box, if you half press the switch, this is for momentary, and that's on 800 lumens with 105,000 candela. And once I remove my thumb, the light turns off. If I press all the way through until it clicks, that's going to be permanent on, as I don't have to keep my thumb now on that switch. If I half press twice and hold, that's going to bring on that strobe that you already saw, 1, 2. And once I release, it turns off, or click all the way through for permanent. And if I do that process one more time, but 3 times, that's going to be the low setting. So 1, 2, 3, release, 1, 2, 3, but click through. Now it's on permanent. To program the light for other settings, such as high only, you're going to use Streamlight's TEN-TAP feature. You're going to press 10 times quickly. On the 10th time, hold. The light turns to high, turns off, and then it's programmed. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turns off. Now it's programmed for high. So I can half press. I can click all the way through, but that's the only setting I'm going to get. We're going to do this one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It turns to low, so now I have the low setting. Click twice for medium. Click 3 times for high. And all the same processes work. Click all the way through for permanent or halfway for momentary. Now, if I want to go back to the factory settings, I'm going to do the same process again. The strobe's going to come on and turn off, and then it's programmed back to factory. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Strobe comes on, turns off, and now it's back to the original settings. For the most current pricing, please see the link to our website. But if you use code YT10, that will get you 10% off with free shipping. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to be alerted to other new products like this. And please like and share this with your friends and family, because that helps us out a lot as well. Thank you for watching PremiumSelectSupplies.com.